Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for Mathematics 3, Quarter 3, Week 6, Day 3. Our topic for today is multiplying numbers in expanded. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. How to multiply a two-digit number by a one-digit number using the expanded form without regrouping. Example, 4 times 12. Step 1. Step 2. Use the distributive property of multiplication. Multiply 4 by each part of the expanded, then add the result together. Lesson purpose intention. To multiply numbers in expanded form with regrouping. To multiply two-digit numbers by one-digit numbers with regrouping. To multiply numbers. Lesson language practice. Key terms in multiplication. Multiplication, a quick way of adding the same number again and again. Multiplication sentence, a number sentence that shows multiplicand, the number that is being multiplied, the number of groups or the number inside each group. Example, in 6 times 4, 6 is the multiplicand. Multiplier, meaning the number that tells how many times the multiplicand is taken. Example, in 6 times 4, 4 is the multiplier. 6 taken. Product, meaning the answer to a multiplication sentence. Example, in 6 times 4 equals 24. 24 is the product. Associative property of multiplication, meaning the associative property of multiplication tells us that when we multiply three numbers, the answer stays the same even if expanded form, meaning expanded form shows a number by breaking it into tens and ones before multiplying. Multiplication in vertical form. Vertical form, developing understanding of the key idea stem. For today, they will learn how to multiply two-digit numbers by one-digit numbers with regrouping, both in expanded form and in vertical form. Multiply 6. What is the expanded form of 14? The expanded form of 14 is 14 is equals to 10 plus 4. How do we apply the distributive property of multiplication? Multiply 6 by each part of the expanded form, then add the results together. Here is another problem. 16 times 7. Solve the following problems. making generalization and abstraction. To multiply numbers in expanded form with regrouping, first write the two-digit number in expanded form, then use the distributive property by multiplying each part of the expanded form by the one-digit number. Finally, add the partial products to get the final answer. How do we multiply two-digit numbers by one-digit numbers in vertical form with regrouping? We follow the following steps. Evaluating learning. Find the product. Here are the expected answer. Great job today, everyone. You listened well, share your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. See you next time.